Today, we'll be taking a look at the lowest IQ moments found in sports.
Silva. And are you kidding? Serious? Mario Balotelli. And he's getting booed for this.
These 5 baseball players think about who will catch the ball. In the end, none of them do. This athlete does a 0 IQ move when he raises his injured partner to continue their performance. Here is what happens when you're stressed out about missing an easy goal. The players all give their coach a weird look after this. I don't think the crowd likes the line judge very much.
Watching at the side of the road, what's he doing? What is Luca Corberi playing at? Oh, Luca Corberi, what on earth is he doing?
Johnson throws it, intercepted. 2 seconds, 1 second. Oh, he missed it at the horn.
This guy decides to dance alongside the cheerleader. Here we see another 0 IQ move caused by extreme stress.
Alba's there. Back to the keeper. Where is the keeper? Where is the goalkeeper? Flacken is non-existent. Well, maybe he thought his team were leading 2-0.
Dropped the ball! He's dropped the ball! Here comes Teixeira! And the Yankees win! Oh my goodness!
The mascot is not in the right place for doing something quite like that. The cheerleaders are scared.
And then it's going to be rattled out and down the ice. This is bouncing into the net!
Might remember that. Really? Oh, I think so. But they won't tell him. There are enough people at the stadium to tell him. Usually,
These two players collided in an unusual way. After missing the catch, Morgan is so mad that he stops playing and lets the other team make a home run.
Inside the park home run! He's being sent! He is safe at the plate! And inside the park home run for Adam Jones. And the Orioles now...
Everybody is discouraged after seeing him score on his own net.
Won't go far enough.
No, didn't go 10. Oh, wow.
Gotta make sure you get it. It's going the other way. Look out. Taking it down the side.
Here, number 77 doesn't move for a clean 15 seconds, even if the game is on. Here we see a girl colliding with one of the players. Looks like AJ Green is playing defense here when he should try to catch the ball and go for a touchdown.
I'm not sure exactly what AJ was doing at all. Everyone else.
David with an empty net. Connor McDavid hit the post.
Pittsburgh loses here against Chicago because they failed to make an easy catch.
Cubs win. Tripped. What a finish.
Wow, that is
His teammates were very mad after he scored in his own basket with only 1 second left on the clock. The game was actually lost due to this. I don't think your shot will be twice as good just because you use 2 people to do it. He has a big opportunity to score a goal, only to throw it away with one of the worst attempts we've ever seen.
Tonight, I can tell you that didn't surprise me one bit.
She could speculate here, but no, she fully did. She tweaked out an air, and that's what put her down.
High in the air, playable. Still coming is Hosmer. It's over his head. Astros win on a 20 territory.